In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unsupported language issue in Google Ads so your campaigns can run smoothly and reach the correct audience. Start by opening your Google Ads account and going to the left-hand menu. Click Campaigns, then select Campaigns again from the expanded panel to view the full list of your campaigns. Locate the campaign experiencing the issue and hover your cursor over it. A gear icon will appear next to the campaign name. Click this to open the campaign settings. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the Other Settings section and look for Languages. This setting determines which language users your ads are intended to reach. If unsupported or irrelevant languages were selected, it can sometimes cause delivery limitations or review issues. Click Languages to edit the list and remove any unsupported or unnecessary options. Then, select the language that matches the language used in your ad copy and landing page to keep the campaign consistent. After making the adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. It may take a short time for the update to process, but your campaign should then be eligible to serve normally. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads troubleshooting tutorials.